Hey Justin, thank you for joining me for user testing. I'm testing the location-based reminder calendar app, RemindMe. So just get a few questions in, just to get to know you a little bit. So what do you spend your time on?
I like to spend my time on my computer, a lot of time on my computer, um, and also on video games, but mostly my computer.
Okay. What do you use your computer for? Homework, gaming?
Homework, mostly just homework and drawing and stuff like that.
Okay, so heavily productivity based. All right. So how do you currently organize your schedule? Do you use a iOS calendar, a calendar application, paper calendar?
I use the Notes application in my Mac.
Okay.
Not really organized.
Not really organized?
Nope.
Okay, is that something you'd like to work on? Would you like to have a system? Okay.
That would be something I'd like to work on.
Have you ever used a app calendar or no?
No.
Okay. And how technically savvy would you consider yourself?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being can solve anything, I'm probably like a 7 or 8. I'm
okay, so
pretty tech savvy.
Pretty talented. So, with the RemindMe application, some of the functionality is you can be creating names, locations, using different switches, and just going to be running through all of that.
Okay.
So I'm going to pull up the screen recording. The homepage that you would start on, you can feel free to scroll, tap, explore the application.
Okay. Okay, so I see the month. Always good to know what events are coming up and what days events are on. Wednesday, 12 p.m. Okay, that's good to know. That's really good to know when it turns p.m. Just like that little thing. I'm assuming right here is where I would write my notes or where the different events would happen for the calendar. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's click this. Let's add a title. And let's add a location. Cool. Let's turn on location reminders. Let's see notes. Cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, and let's add a camera. Let's go camera. Ooh. You have the photos in the camera. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. Web. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. And I can hit the checkbox. All day. Select color. Ooh. Not yet, right? Okay. Oh, so I see it's there.
Mm-hmm.
May I suggest if there was like a confirmation page or something that popped up saying like it was a success.
Yeah,
I would know
sense.
because if I have a hard time seeing that seeing that dot, yeah, I would probably not know that it went through, and I would probably be going back and forth trying to do the exact same thing. Oh, I can click this. Cool. And let's see if I want to edit it. Okay, cool. I get taken back to the same thing. All right. Now let's see if I want to delete everything. Yeah. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool.
All right. So you said that you wanted a pop-up notification or some sort of notification for a successful event creation.
Yes.
In your mind, what would be a good one? In other applications, I have seen something at the bottom of the screen about right here, a little notification saying, check mark, you've created your event. Is that what you're looking for? Are you looking for a whole screen?
What if you did if this the whole screen, you get maybe around the borders, and it would just be like it wouldn't be completely gray, but it would be opaque. It would be
okay.
like have a little opacity, so you can see through it, and it would just say like calendar saved or something like that.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, we just have a few after questions to go through. So what was the hardest part of this event creation process?
It was really hard to know what for the 3 different things when I forgot what it was. It was the
The
camera,
the location-based alerts.
location. Oh, okay, location. I didn't really understand if I can put all of them. Would that have a different impact on the notes, or can I just pick one? I didn't really know, but that's really hard to tell for a prototype.
Okay, so moving forward, what would you like to see done? How would it be easier for users?
Definitely, it's really organized. I like that. It's really, um, it's really hard to see what it looks like. What is the I like it how I really like how it's organized. I can't really find a way to make it more easy to use besides the pop-up notification.
Okay,
Um,
perhaps something like Greg's app where it'll give you a tutorial of how to use the application, especially since there's location-based reminders, which aren't very common.
oh yeah, that and also you can even talk about what location-based reminders are since I didn't even know what it was, but
All right,
I was embarrassed to say.
sounds like a good idea to improve that since I didn't know about this myself until I started researching it. So what was the best feature you think of this application?
Definitely the I really liked how you were able to the location based. It was really cool, especially the camera. It detects if you have any photos. If not, it doesn't tell you you can't post any. I really like how the post when you the calendar event, if you save it and you can pick all this specific information for it, you can know what's going on, when is it going on, and it's really easy to find since it's on the calendar. It's a little dot that's posted on it, and you could probably post many events, and you would know everything that's going on, so you don't get lost. So I really like the organization, and it was pretty easy to use.
All right. And is there a feature you would find yourself wanting to add to this application, or are you content with the features it has?
I really like. I would really like to just see the pop up saying it was a success, but
Okay.
yeah, and you can maybe also, if you were to add like if I had an event going on and I want to remind someone, I can share the event with them, and then they will send them to their email.
Okay.
That would be cool.
That's definitely a good idea, sharing through Facebook or Twitter or whatever media people want to, open and share it with people. Would you find yourself using this application in the future?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
It seemed really organized. It seemed really easy to use, and it's something I really need. I really like it. I'm assuming that I would be able to change the color, right?
Right.
Because gray just seems kind of bland, but
Yeah, it's a prototype that was done in gray. There's a color selection area that you can go through.
that was it.
Okay.
Other than that, I would like to use that.
All right. Thank you very much for your feedback.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.